Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
It's your girl Kpcutie with another video. Today is a skincare day with your girl KP. So today we're gonna be doing pretty much what I've been trying to do for a while is face masks, nails, skincare, having fun, relaxing. So yeah, I'm gonna be showing you guys what I do when I want to relax and just unwind and get away from all the stress in the world. So I'm gonna show you what I do, and you might guys relate what I'm doing, or probably have done it before, or want to try something new. So here are the things you're supposed to do before you enter my video. Is like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. If you're not have subscribed tonight now, please go ahead and pause this video and go ahead and subscribe right there. Subscribe to my channel. And also don't forget to hit that little bell to be notified post a video. And let's get into this video. First, you know, your girl is gonna do her face, because her face is the first priority of the day. Like after I do my bed, I have to wash my face. I'm gonna go ahead and start with my face. Come on with me. Just come on, stop doing that. Okay, kids, I am gonna, we're in the bathroom right now, so it's kind of like echoey, and you might need to see like little, yeah, we got this like the eucalyptus thing, which every time you put that in the shower and just like use the shower and like the smell of eucalyptus hits you, it makes you go to sleep a little bit more when you go to the shower, like take a bath, or refreshes you in the morning time. For nighttime, or like since for me, I usually take showers at night, but I need to start doing something in the day. But for nights, for me, it helps like me sleep better and like not be like too stressed out when I'm sleeping. So that's a good plus to having the eucalyptus in your shower when it's running, because it also helps clean your system up without you knowing. But I ain't gonna tell you all the secrets, you'll see it too. So this is one skincare hack that you guys should all try, is put some eucalyptus, real eucalyptus, not fake plants. I'm not gonna get into that, but real eucalyptus, and put that in your shower, and it smells so good. And also it makes like beautiful decorations in your bathroom. Like since ours is like kind of like simple but yet modern, we have this in it, and all it does is just bring like give you boho slash modern slash timeless look. Yeah, so yeah. But first up we're gonna do is step number 1, cleanser, which is just like not so much. It's pretty much what I usually do for my routines, but also adding masking. So we're gonna go ahead and prep our face while washing it. I might have to squat during something, but yeah, time to go ahead and wash my face. Okay, now it's time to put this thing on and start cleaning your face. I don't know why I did that face. It's a habit for me. I usually do faces while I'm doing stuff, so yeah, time to, y'all didn't see that. Y'all didn't see that. None of that. Yeah, this feels so good on my skin. Like, it feels so soft. Oh, it's foamy. Oh, I like that. I like foamy products. I like, oh gosh, look at my face now. I really like foamy products. It's like having like a fun time on your face. Like, oh, you can hear it too. Here, wait, listen. That is so cool. Now it's time to wash this all off. Now my face feels so smooth after doing that. I don't know why. That is so cool. Let me wash this off. Comment down below, cuties, if like you guys ever tried like your dollar store food store, and if they work for you, because I really want to know. So comment down below if they work for you. Like for me, they work. Like sometimes some things do and some things don't, but this one for sure, I just hands down say this working so far good. My face feels so smooth after doing that. Okay, now it's time to let that dry. Next step 2 is the serum. But my face ain't dry yet, so I have to, dang, I forgot to get my towel, so I have to air dry now. But one hack, cuties, like doing like giving yourself a natural routine of like what to do for your face, like face wash, then you do the toner, then you do your serum, then you do the moisture afterwards. It helps like for sometimes where certain serums helps with certain things like eye bags, wrinkles, spotting, but like doing like a certain routine helps like keep your face looking smooth and youthful. But it also makes sure your face like smooth. It doesn't have like the craters and stuff like that. Like how I have these dark spots, they're starting to go away after I've been doing the skincare routines. Like I've been adding more to my skincare routines instead of just go ahead and just splash of water on your face and go, because that's usually, you gotta do a little bit more to your face so you can stay looking beautiful like me. But I don't know. I like that myself. But since my face is starting to get more drier, now I'm gonna take the serum and I'm gonna go ahead and don't get your nose too, your T-zone, because for me, my T-zone is usually oily, but then also dry at certain occasions. It gives the same, like, my T-zone, like say for winters, just start getting dry up. I feel so relaxed doing this. Be back when this all done. Now we're gonna go in and wear our face mask. So I got the vitamin C, E facial kit, which is basically, it is an oranges. I like oranges too. I don't know what's with me. I like oranges, like the orange smell. That's why probably I named my name. If you guys don't know by now that the reason why my name is Kpcutie is from orange, and I like my initials. I will tell you about my initials later on. If you really want to know, comment down below. We can have ourselves a little chat about it, have conversations, because I would love to get to know about you guys. Basically, it's the same way, like how the instructions behind it is. Same way you usually put a face mask on, same way as always. So you just basically take out the pack. Basically that's what you're doing, like how the way you supplement your spot. Now we're gonna go on our forehead. It's so cool. I usually take the extra stuff and just like keep lather on so it can make sure my whole face gets covered. Yeah, like that. Like that. Like that. I can't really talk much, but I'm just going ahead and probably speed this up for you guys and just show you what I usually do on a daily basis for what I do regularly. So let's go. Okay, kids, the first thing I do when I want to take a chill break is I do word search. I usually go and just see if I can test my brain so I can see if I find anything and learn new words. So it's like a 2-for-1. Like I'm learning my new words as I go, and also I am exercising my brain. So that's why I do word search a lot when I'm on my day, when I have my chill days or when I have a slow day and I just need to relieve my mind. I just do word search. It's actually very fun. From when I was a kid, I always thought like that's kind of boring, but then I start getting into it more and more as I grow older. So that's what I've been doing when I'm on my days off, is do word search. It's actually fun to do, so you guys try it out. Don't knock it before you try it. So go ahead and try out doing word search on your days off. If you like to test out your brain and stuff, try it. And yeah, just try it. Okay, cuties, next up is I do my diamond art tool, or basically where I take like little diamond looking things and I just stick them onto a painting and once I finish like doing all the diamonds, it comes out as a painting that you can just hang on your wall and stuff. For me, it's very good stress reliever where I just go ahead, just press on each dot. All I do is just, I really either I daydream or I just don't think and just let my mind just wander, or I start zoning out and start like doing the dot thing over and over. So basically it helps me kind of like go to my blank place or dream place where I don't really think as much or just relax. Next up is kids. I am watching my shows, watching all my Netflix shows. Right now I'm currently watching one of them. I think I was watching 13 Reasons Why or something like that. I don't know, I can't really remember because I was watching multiple shows at once. But basically I watch shows to kind of like catch up what I missed on and relax my brain, and also just have my little spa day for
Okay,
myself.
cuties, it's time to take this off. It's starting to dry up and my face is ready to be revealed. Oh, that's what made me feel so like relaxed. Like all I do is just, you either can wipe the moistures off or you just rub it in your skin, because right now it's like dried up a little bit and it feels so good. Like my face like feel like it feels rejuvenated. Like my skin feels so soft, moisturized. I love it. So that's usually what I do for the days. Like I listen to music, watch TV, play with my dot, like my diamond art. Then I either play with the word search, or I just color. Like that's my things what I do to relax and like get away from stress, or do my nails. So my face is done, so now I gotta do my nails. And guess what? This time I ain't gonna be painting my nails or doing the dip. We're gonna go ahead and do some press-ons. Which before you guys, I want to tell you guys is that I don't really like do press-ons that much, but now that I begin to, because before I was like usually have this bad habit, like I start like when my heart started pounding and stuff, I usually put on the fake nails on my tips of my nails because my nails was growing at the time and I want my nails to be longer. And I usually started having this anxiety about it, like putting the press-ons, because I didn't want my nails to break. And I like my nails to be long, but I don't want them to break off and then start feeling hurt. Because before, when I did press-ons and when they broke, it like ripped them, like my real skin, like my nail bed, like where it started to grow. It ripped there, so I'm not doing this again. I just paint my nails. So that's why I've been painting my nails most of the time. Now I'm starting to get back into doing the press-ons, putting the French tips, like the fake nails on my tip of my nails, but I just gotta be more careful from now on because that was scary. So I'm gonna go ahead and wipe this stuff off and I'll be right back with you guys so we can do our nails.